If you've been managing your marriage instead of investing in it, hear this. An hour a week is not always enough because by the time you settle in, many times the session is over. That's why I offer marriage intensives. 2 focused days, just you, your spouse, and me. And in those 2 days, we do work that would often take 4 to 6 months of weekly counseling. We map the cycle you keep getting stuck in. We process the injuries underneath the arguments, and you walk out with real tools. I've facilitated over 50 of these, including issues like affairs, deep disconnection, couples who still love each other but can't show up without a fight. And if faith is part of your story, it also belongs in the room. 2 days, one marriage. A turning point that you both will remember. When you're ready, reach out for a free consultation.